Hey y'all, it's your girl T here, and I'm here bringing you this super simple, super easy, instant half up, half down. It looks like this. Hopefully I come back to y'all with the intro, but if I don't, this is me chiming in. I'm so sorry, I can't find my ring light. This lighting sucks and it's very noisy. But I'm gonna go ahead and just shear this out now. It looks like this. It's super soft. It's so freaking soft. I really love it. Really love it. And I just needed a quick style, so it's gonna do what I need to do. But I'm just gonna shear it out some. And I'm gonna start out short. I'm gonna start out long and work my way up because I don't want to cut too much. That's how we looking so far. And that even like colored it out smooth. It's really big. Like, y'all see it in person, this is so big hair. Really is. One thing about this synthetic hair, y'all cannot be afraid to cut it. Cut it, it's okay. It ain't gonna last forever anyway. It is messing up the curl pattern, but I'm hoping when I wear this, it'll come back, you know, strong.